As I promised on my previous video, we'll be building my streaming PC here on this BitFenix Enso mesh in black, together with the following components: the BitFenix Formula Gold 750 watt power supply, BitFenix Alchemy 3.0 RGB LED, BitFenix Spectre RGB fan. For the GPU, we have here the GALAX RTX 2080 Ti SG Edition. Processor Intel 9900K. For our AIO, we have here the RYOU 240 AIO. And for the RAM, we have here the HyperX Predator RGB. Motherboard, ASRock Taichi Z390. And for our SSD, we have here the WD Black SN750 1TB. Since I've already mentioned everything that we're gonna use on this PC build, let's do it now.